Welcome back. I'm the Average Cuber, and in this video I'm going to be breaking down the 3x3, cleaning it piece by piece, and I will show you what I use to clean because this has worked best for me. So you want to start with turning the center and taking this middle piece and just twisting it until it pops right out. There you go. And then from there you can just start taking out these pieces. They just kind of pop out eventually. Come on. There it goes. There's that. And then I'll just pop out the rest and set them all out. And just like that, we've got our centerpiece in the middle, we've got our corners on the left, and we've got our edge pieces on the right. And I'm gonna break it down just a little bit more. And I'm gonna do that by starting with this. And right here, these little blue pieces, I'm gonna pop that out. Should pop out all the way. Come on. There it is. So there's one piece. And same thing with this side. And then just do that with the rest of the cube. And here it is, completely broken down. So we have all of our colors lined up, all of our pieces, the center caps, the center, all these pieces inside, and then all of the little fittings that they go into. So what I use when I clean cubes like this is just a little bit of water, some Q-tips just so I can dip in it and so I can get into each little crevice of a piece like that. And then I also use, what I'm using right now is a little pocket knife with a flat edge, but you can use any flat edge really, just to kind of really get into those pieces for the little bit of gunk that's stuck in there. For example, I'll start with this little green piece right here. It's got a little bit of gunk that I just want to go in there and scrape and get that out. It is rather time consuming, I'm not gonna lie. Don't worry, I wiped that on my hand, but I'm gonna wash it off later. And go around the whole thing, just like that. And then make sure you're all good. Then if you want, I'll either do this dry or I'll dip it in the bowl. But I'll kind of just go around and make sure that all of my edges are good, just like that. I'm gonna sit it back down, and then I will do the rest. And for this piece, it's gonna be pretty similar, but there's just a little bit of gunk that's in here. So I'm just gonna give this a little dab with a Q-tip and work around it a little bit. Get that in there and grab a dry one and go back. And then just try and get all the little loose bits off of there. And then if you have one that's pretty dirty, you'll be able to see the difference. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to all of this. Also, for this piece, gonna be the same for the most part. You're just gonna take your flat edge and go around this corner right here, and you can take your Q-tip and go in here, and then I'll just take a Q-tip and wipe it around here, and the inside's usually pretty good, so I'll just leave that. And similarly for this piece right here, I'll just take a little edge over the side right here with a Q-tip, and then take my flat edge and try and get in there as best I can, and whatever is left, I'll just use a Q-tip, either wet or dry, either one works, and then make sure you dry it out, and then that should be it. And then I've already shown the rest of this, so now I'm gonna clean the rest of them, and then I'll show you when I'm done. All right, the edge pieces are done, and now all the corner pieces are done, and all the center caps and the little black pieces around them are all clean too. And time to start putting it back together. And it's all put together. So now it is completely dried out, all cleaned, and I'm going to put some solar lubricant in it from the Speed Cube shop. This is a 3cc bottle. I think I've had it for, I don't know, maybe a month now, and I've used it on a couple different cubes and it's lasted forever. Just put a couple drops in it. I'm gonna do about 4. 1, 2, that was a big drop. 3, 4, that should do it. And then put that back on there. And then just mix it up a little bit. And it's only catching because my turning kind of sucks, but it's getting better. All right, now we're talking. So let's see. Just gonna solve this real quick. Alright, and that is the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.